want to change the world, we must invest in our children. Most people bring up children just feeding them and making sure that they go to school and do their homework. That's it. If we don't teach them through example good things of life before they get to an age where they are not going to listen to you, if we haven't invested in a good life for them. So we must teach our children how to do the right things in life. Yoga gives everything to everyone. It's just that we must be sensitive to what is needed. Normally, you don't force kids to do yoga practice. For if you do, it turns the other way and they'll never do it. Let them come to you interested. So let's say a mom wants her child to do yoga. Good thought. But a child is already subjected to being pushed to go to school, even if they don't want to. One more thing to push. Let them see you practice. And then come forward and say, I want to do it. Then you take them to a class. But if you don't practice and if you don't think yoga is important and if you don't have the discipline, you want your kids to learn yoga. I become the example for my kids, and then the kids will be drawn to that which makes me as a father or as a mother, it makes me happy. The kids see it. They also want to learn it. However, if we talk about the benefits of yogic practice for the kids, remember one thing, the kids have a different mental setup to an adult. They are not taught in the same way as adults are, because they have more enthusiasm, they have more positivity, they are ready to try out new things. You have to understand how they are if you're going to teach them. So, one of the funniest things that I've seen about yoga for kids is a 7-8-year-old little girl sitting in meditation like this. It's a ridiculous idea. Children are playful. They revel in competing with each other. It's a natural phenomena. So you understand the child and you teach them what is essential at their level, not subjugating them to sitting in meditation and telling them this is yoga practice. They might do it once, they might do it twice if you insist, but they won't do it regularly. They will do something regularly which is fun. They will do it regularly if it's in a group, but they won't do it regularly if they are made to do what is not their mental state. We can't do old people's yoga with them. They are fast, and we have to do a yoga which is suitable to how their mental state is.